First of all, let's talk about style. A two-piece unit. This is the most common. It's got a separate tank and bowl connected right here. Everything that's fresh, the water hits in here, goes down and flushes the waste in the bowl. One-piece unit, people actually like these because of the low profile, and they're a lot easier to clean. If you look over here on the two-piece unit, you can see the channel here. You can catch a lot of dust with that. Side here, you just don't have that, so much easier to clean. I will say this about a one-piece unit. It's more expensive. You're going to pay about twice as much on the starting end. So $100 for average on the two-piece, $200 on the one-piece. Of course, you've got your style of your shape of the bowl. You've got round versus the oblong. The height, comfort height. This is standard, about 14 to 15 inches. Comfort height about 3 inches more. Let me just say this delicately, it's easier to get up if you've got the comfort height. Water saving, I love the new ones like this. If you're getting rid of an old one, 3.5 gallons, great, you're gonna save so much money on your water usage. 1.6 gallons, that's the max. You've got the high efficiency toilets that only use 1.28 gallons per flush, and a dual model like this that has a dual flush, with liquid waste, less than 1 gallon that it uses. However, I will say this, with those, the water level in the bowl is very low, which means you're gonna have to clean it more to get rid of those unpleasant odors.